What's the oldest rich man and poor man you would date? So that means you would date 70 years old.
A 70-year-old. So if that person would love me deeply,
Is he poor or is he rich?
Very rich.
22 years old. Are you single or do you have like a boyfriend?
Single mom.
Single mom.
With regarding for the age range, I'll consider maybe around
What's the oldest rich man and poor man you would date?
If oldest rich man, I think 40 or 50, and oldest poor man is, I think, 30.
30 years old. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
In college, right?
Yes,
Okay. Are you single or in a relationship right now?
I'm single and ready to mingle.
Okay, so that's why you're here in the park?
Yes.
Oh, okay. How long have you been single?
I think 6 months.
Okay, she's not sure, I think. Okay, well, anyway, what course are you taking? Last question.
Tourism management.
Tourism. A lot of tourism students, they're actually like tall, slim, pretty. So, what's the oldest rich man and poor man you would date? Let's start with you.
Okay. The rich man, if I think the age of 50, because at the age of 60 higher, it's like
It's like what?
it's like, I think, you know, the longer they live, or we can't know if they gonna live longer or what. So if I want to date a rich one, I think the age is 50. And for the poor man, any any age. But
Age.
it's a legal age, because I know that when you have something that you have a goal, you will be rich someday. So I really want to date a poor man at the age of 18 higher.
Okay. Yeah. But you know that there are also younger people who died first, right?
Yes.
Who doesn't long you like longer, who doesn't live longer, I mean. Okay. So thank you. How old are you?
18.
18 and single, right?
Yes.
Wow. And okay, how about you, Beth?
so first and foremost, there shouldn't be like this. I'm not a fan about discrimination, especially in ages. And for me, it's when it comes to like dating someone who is older or who is like younger. So I believe that age is just a mere concept of just it's there. Like age is there. It's normal for us to age. And as someone who believes that dating is to love someone deeply, dearly, and I believe that age doesn't define us. And so if I were to date someone who is old or who is rich and who is poor, of course there shouldn't be discrimination when it comes to the status in life. So that's why I think that legal age would be fine, somehow around 18 above. And just like what I've said, there shouldn't be no discrimination between no between the status, at the same time the age, because love is love. It is the most realist, it is the realest thing in this world. So send loves, everyone.
So that means you would date 70 years old.
A 70-year-old. So if that person would love me deeply, dearly, in a way that I wanted to be loved, then I would give that person a chance. Only if that person is consistent, at the same time would show, affection, at the same time the love that I want to receive.
Rich or poor?
It depends because, love doesn't define our status. Because loving someone, you both can grow together. You both can be rich together. Or the other hand, you can be poor together if you don't have, you know, you have to be you have to strive for life. That's all.
Okay, so age doesn't matter. Even though like he's 70 or 80 years old, it doesn't matter.
There's love, of course.
I love that. As long as there's love.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you, Beth? Come here. Okay.
Oh my god.
Ay, harap ka lang sa
Ah,
camera.
sure. Like, well, nah, well, I've never been. Okay. I mean, yes, I do. It's just the same answer. I do agree with her statement. But although since I am in my early 20s, I would say like around the legal age. And I don't really care if it's like rich or poor. I just want, a stable person.
Yeah.
Like sure poor, but they can work their way to the top as she said. But if I were to choose poor or rich, I think it would be like the middle. It's just I know it's not part of the option, but I just really want a stable person in my life. But since it's age, it's ooh. I mean, since I'm in my early 20s, I'll just maybe focus on maybe the present right now, maybe around like the legal age of 20s or 30s, since this is my age. So I want to stabilize that as well.
How old are you?
I just turned 18.
18, and you're also
21.
21. Okay.
She doesn't
Um,
look 21 in her age.
Yes, she doesn't look 21.
Looks younger.
I told her she looks like Japanese. When I was in college, I have Japanese, what do you call this, classmates, and you have the same feature. Very pretty. What's the oldest rich woman and poor woman you would date?
Okay, so regarding for the like the status in life, actually I don't base from it. So whether it's a poor or a rich person, I would still go on a date or marry that person. With regarding for the age range, I'll consider maybe around 40. So yeah,
40 years old. And how old are you, sir?
I'm currently 26.
What's the oldest rich man and poor man you would date?
Sa rich po, 32. And sa poor, kaya mga 25.
Rich, 32 years old.
Yeah.
Poor, 25 years old. And how old are you?
22.
22 years old. Are you single or do you have like a boyfriend?
Single mom.
Single mom. Okay, 22 years. Are you still studying or you're working now?
Nag-a-apply po.
Are you applying for work? What's the oldest rich man and poor man would you date?
The age of Suga po.
The age of
Suga, BTS.
Suga BTS. Who is that? A Korean actor?
Yes. Singer.
Singer. Okay, so how old is he?
29.
That's the oldest. Okay, is he poor or is he rich?
Very rich.
How about if he is poor? What's the oldest you would date?
It's okay as long as it's Suga.
Okay, no age limit.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay, how about you, Bem?
For me, I think 28 years old.
Rich or poor? What do you mean?
It's okay if it's poor or rich.
How old are you?
19.
19 years old. Oh, it's just so baby. And how about you, Bem?
18.
18 years old. Both college students, right?
Yes.
Are you also both singles?
Yes.
Single. And you too?
Yes.
Since birth, I guess.
Yes.
I knew it. And you too, right?
No.
Oh, wow. Okay. But you are, right? Single since birth. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections